In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a music bot to your Discord server. First, what you need to do is to select your server, and in the server name, click on that and go to app directory. In here, search for Jockie. Press enter, and the first link is the one which is Jockie Music. Click on that. Now click add app. Now select the server if you are not selected correctly, then click continue. Now you have to authorize it. Click authorize. Now click on I'm human. Now that music bot will be added to your server. Here you can see all the commands you can use. Play, skip, leave, and setup for more features. You can find this information once you add the bot into server. So let's play some music. First you need to go into voice channel, otherwise you can't do it. So now let's copy a link. You can copy YouTube or Spotify, any link you want. And you have to type exactly what I'm typing here. And play space, put the link and press enter. Now the bot will appear in your voice channel. Then it will start playing the music you have selected. Now if you want to leave this bot out of your channel, voice channel, what you need to do is put this command. Then the bot will leave the voice channel you are in. Now that's it for today's video, guys. If you want to learn more about music bot commands, go to their website and see what the commands you can use. And see you next time with another video like this. Bye bye.